Oh, fam. Oh. It's getting real in this battlefield. Y'all come on in here. I said I was going to take the day off. I was going to stay out of Nature Boy's shit today. But Ase Devine, my sister, then messed around and gave us the 411. A gatekeeper has come on through to advise us on the oral fixations of Jesus Christ. It don't get no better than this, man. And I hope she don't mind I'm about to do this. I hope she don't mind. But I had no other way to figure out how to do this except this way. Oh my God, family. He said he was gonna bury water. Who? Okay, y'all. Oh my dear sister. What have you sent me? What is this? This is crazy. Let me see. I wasn't even gonna do this today until I saw this. I was like, I'm gonna let this man make it. But I can't. Look at you. Peace and blessings, Sister Ase Devine.
Hey.
That's my sister right there.
Hold on, y'all. I'm on the phone. Hey, sis.
I throw all the melanation away for that queen right there.
Hey, y'all.
Sis, I hope you don't mind, but I'm about to bust this brand new one out for a minute.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
I'm about to walk this German Shepherd clean. I'm a Constantine this motherfucker. I'm going to grab him by the collar and throw his ass in the light.
Oh, shit.
All right, y'all.
I'm ready.
This is the new one. My sister, y'all please go subscribe to her YouTube page. She has been original foot on next squad. I'm just pulling up. I'm just cowering. I ain't start this battle. I just pulled in a little bit of help. That's all I did. You know, this is the general constant. This is the general right here. That's right now. So we're going to get to this right quick because I don't know how much time she got. But here we go, y'all.
Let's go.
Ooh. But wait a minute. I want y'all to understand the significance of this. Nature Boy called this woman right here a man. Now, I'm about to show you something. That's a man. That's a dude. That's a dude. Look at this dude and look at this woman. Dude, woman. Now, I'm going to let this dude speak for
Oh, shit.
Oh, my God. Okay, here we go, y'all. Here we go.
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Larry Chanel. I hope everybody can hear me. I do have in my little headphones or whatever.
Oh, we hear you.
I'm actually on my way to work. I'm waiting for my bus that will probably be here in about a half an hour. But like I have been watching some gentlemen by the names of Nature Boy and Young Pharaoh kind of go at it. And it's crazy because a while back I noticed that
come on,
his name,
spit it out.
Nature Boy, that he looked like somebody that I knew, that I used to know before my transition.
Woo!
And
before your what? Your what? Before his what? Before his transition. So that means he still had a penis. I don't give a fuck. He had a penis.
Mm-hmm.
This was before the transition. Knew him before.
Yep.
I'ma roast this nigga.
I'm here for it. Let's go.
Here we go.
Come to find out. Yeah, come to find out he is exactly who I thought he was. I'm trying to figure out how exactly I want to start this video, because I don't want to start this video. I'm not trying to bash anybody. I'm not trying to
look at his pretty ass. He just
I'm not trying to out anybody. I'm not trying to,
don't he look Asian?
Conflict. But I do think that I do want to bring some clarity, or bring some truth and some light to, at least part of the situation. I haven't really done a lot of research into Nature Boy and what he's doing right now, in terms of his, allegedly this cult that he's the leader of, or what else? Any of the messages that he teaches, even the videos that Young Pharaoh was playing, or clips that he was playing.
Mm-hmm.
And I was just kind of listening, and I'm like, it just, what you're saying, it sounds a little weird, because I'm like, I remember you from phase one. Ooh. I remember you in Atlanta, Georgia. I remember you. I remember that you were attracted to me, and I was attracted to you.
AJ, he don't look Asian. I just thought I'd point that out, but let's take this a little further, because let's go.
I remember that that obviously there were, phase one I think it was a mix. I think that there were females there. I know for a fact that I think there were females there and males there on this particular night. The
phase one is a club, y'all, just in case you don't know. And if I'm not mistaken, it's a strip club in particular. So let's go.
The girls, who like girls would come out. The boys who like boys would come out. The trans, community would come out, and we would just party together. And like I said, it's not my intention or...
Remember what I told y'all about sex magic? You got heterosexuals, bisexuals, and homosexuals all mingling together in one place. But let's go. This shit.
Not my purpose to out people.
Yes, it is. Let's get to it.
Is when a person decides to say something and they're not totally honest. So I feel like, I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I do feel like listen, when you're put in a position of authority, or when you have people's lives in your hands, or, when you are a leader, you have a responsibility. You have a responsibility to those people who follow you. You have a responsibility to the future people, any future lives that you may hold in your hands.
You have a point. Yes, you do, as a leader.
I just think that, when you say, I think I heard you, this is directed specifically to Nature Boy. I'm like, when I hear you say that, that was me in the video with the white boy, or whatever it was you said.
Now, mind you, y'all, he made that confession after this woman right here forced his ass to do so. I just thought I'll let y'all follow the storyline a little bit.
No, or you did a lot of things for money and all of that stuff.
Yes.
And I'm like, yeah, that's cool. And like, I get that. I understand that part. And that may be how it started. But baby, once you got to me, like, I don't know. I can't say what about anybody else. But for Victoria,
first person,
I can pay you. So I'm like, it's like, I'm trying to how you like, don't make, as a leader, just tell your people and tell the people that's watching these videos, just tell them the truth. Don't try to make an excuse, saying, oh, well, I just did that because I was on hard times and I needed the money or I wanted the money. No, when you got to me.
Wait, Vicky, are you saying he did it for free? Vicky, are you about to tell us that he enjoyed you slobbing his knob as a dude? Are you about to tell us that he enjoyed his oral fixation with you? Let's find out.
When, and matter of fact, it wasn't just me, it was me and my homegirl. And I tell you, my homegirl, I won't say her name, and I say her, but that's a boy. And I'm saying a boy in the context of there's no way you can mistake him for a girl. There's no way, whether he's in drag.
Oh, shit.
No way. Anyway, so I'm like, in my mind, I'm like, you knew that I was trans, and you knew that, like clearly, I've always looked more like a female than my counterpart, than my friends.
Just to let y'all know, that nigga knocked off a two-piece. One that looked like a girl and one that was obviously looked like a boy. I just want y'all to understand in layman's terms what's happening. I don't mean to drag this out, but if that nigga say he only did this for money again, does he know all this shit is being recorded in the Akashic records? That's
what he said.
He took it in the booty. Here we go.
Some of my friends, but it's like you knew that was a boy, and you had both of us.
Oh,
and I'm gonna just say what happened.
That nigga had a Popeyes two-piece on Tuesday.
I don't know what night it was. That's not really important. But you performed at phase 1.
Tell the truth.
I clearly tipped you. I thought that you were attractive, and.
How much?
I don't remember what dialogue was
How much
was exchanged. However, I know that you wanted me to come back to the dressing room where you guys get dressed at.
Say what?
And you told everybody to get the fuck out the dressing room, that you needed it for a little second. And me and my homeboy / homegirl was in the dressing room with you, and we sucked that dick.
Wait.
Did they run it back.
Wait.
A little second. And me and my homeboy / homegirl was in the dressing room with you, and we sucked that dick together. Like all bent over and all type of shit. I just like,
yeah.
It's just like, to be honest, like, hey, I get like some of the straight men, okay, you're gay for pay. And I guess I understand that. But when you have changed, if you have changed your life, like, why be ashamed? You know what I'm saying? Like, if that wasn't for you and that was a phase or that was something that you did just for pay, why be like, let me refresh your memory. I did not give you no money. I may have tipped you when you were stripping, but it couldn't have been nothing but a couple of dollars. So it's like, if you liked that, or if you if that was something that you tried and you ain't like it, because I know people like that. people like, well, I'm I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and then and then they do it and they don't like it and they move on, or that's an experience that you decided to have, and and you did and you didn't like it, or you did it and you did like it, and you decided to change your life, like whatever the case may be. It's just weird to me that people just won't be honest. Like, tell those people that's following you, that was a phase in your life and you felt like you had to do that shit to get by. And it's those people, listen, you're not perfect. And stop telling these motherfuckers that you're Jesus. Like, you really had me tripping. Like, you really, really had me tripping when I heard. I'm like,
crazy.
Wait. You suppose you are be the second coming of Christ, like how, or whatever the case, whatever it is you calling yourself. It's like, I'm like, damn, I suck Jesus dick. Like, I don't think the Lord that I worship, hallelujah. I never sucked the Lord's dick before. You don't strike me, and then it's like, I just don't understand. I really don't.
I ain't gonna play the whole thing because I want y'all to go over there and finish watching it on the Sisters channel. I just wanted to bait y'all a little bit for you motherfuckers that's been at me hollering I look like a bulldog and shit, because I've been telling y'all he's been lying to you.
Facts.
I can look like a bulldog, but your leader is a homosexual pedophile. Let's deal with that.
Facts.
I call these my bulldogs anyway. It's a family trait. We can't get rid of it. And quite frankly, we find it quite funny. We call it our laugh lines. It means we've laughed a lot during our lives. Unlike you emaciated motherfuckers out there.
Facts, sis.
Sis,
hold on. Let me say something. When I saw the video, it was sent to my email by an anonymous person. The first minute of the video, when she said trans, I wasn't expecting that. I was like, what? I had to rewind it back. The first minute of the video, I dropped my phone literally because I was like, wow, they really coming out. They coming. They coming. And I was just like, and then as I continued to watch the video, sis, I've been tripping all morning. Like, wow.
No, I'm not going to go over there. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not going over there. I'm not going to show y'all the whole thing here. Go over there to the Sisters page. Get her the traffic. Go look at them other ones because there are others.
Yeah. Yeah.
There are others. If you don't want to hit her page, my page has a whole Nature Boy Exposed channel all by itself, and any and everything I can find goes over there, not just mine.
Yeah.
But y'all, this one right here, this is our commander in chieftain. This is our commander in chieftain. This ain't my fight. And I keep telling y'all, not my fight. I just rolled in to support this sister right here. This ain't me. It's this one.
Appreciate
Sister Ase Devine. And if y'all don't know, go check out her channel. This sister knows how to make penicillin. So she was doing stuff with nature while Nature Boy was just getting shot in the face doing whatever he does being a gay stripper. This sister actually had her boots on the ground, her fingers in the dirt, and was actually brewing in her kitchen, making us all right while he was committing cardinal sins.
Yep. Facts.
So please, my folk, you university, get over, subscribe to this sister, and when all this is over, this sister's still gonna be relevant.
Yep.
She was relevant before that nigga. That's how she got the following she did. Facts. She was relevant before that nigga.
Facts.
So, sister, from me to you, I've been following you secretly for a minute, and you have to forgive my stalkage.
It's
But
okay,
you know,
sis.
sometimes when y'all look at me, I look at her like that. I be like,
Thank you, sis. I appreciate you so much.
it's what we have to do. But
yeah.
my thing is this: we have built a mighty grapevine. We've built a phone line that's crazy. It crosses ethnicities, it crosses socioeconomic levels, it crosses religions, ways of life, continent, seas. We got people all over the place watching this dude.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if we can watch him, we can watch out for others like him.
Exactly.
Put them on blast, y'all. They only work when we're being silent.
Exactly.
Y'all know I say it, evil thrives when good people do nothing. I got tired of doing nothing and watched this sister do everything. So I pulled in the fight. It didn't mean she stopped. It means she had help.
Yeah. Yeah.
Please share, because you don't know who's watching this nigga's videos going, ooh, he has a point. No, the fuck he don't.
Exactly.
No, he don't. And before he makes you a malnutrition, emaciated zombie, eat some food.
Yeah.
It's okay to eat food. God put a whole bunch of food on the damn planet so you can eat it. But he also gave you discernment. And your food is also what goes in your eyes, your ears, your mouth, your nose, what you feel.
Yeah.
Be very careful about what goes in your orifices. I guess that's why I can only take this nigga in small spurts. Like, ugh. I just can't stay in this room long.
Yeah.
But sister, I don't want to keep you, and I got to get out of here to go take care of some business. But again, heart with you, my love. You got my sword. My people are behind you. We're just waiting for him to come up through Mexico.
Yeah.
Bring your big bad ass in this direction. Y'all run his ass in this direction, please, and thank you.
Absolutely, sis. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Love you, Queen.
Love you too.
You don't know who this is? That's Sister Ase Devine. And this is Sister Fundi Film. We always got our ear to the street, our ear to the street, our ear to the street.
That's
Love
right.
y'all. Peace and blessings. You take care. 1,000 blessings on you and your whole entire family, sister.
Thank you.
Salute. Real one. Peace and blessings.
Guys.